Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version, because options differ slightly. Next, backup data only if you might need it. Long press the app icon on the home screen or find it in the app library, then look for the contextual menu. Choose Remove App to start. This is faster than navigating settings, and it prevents accidental data loss. Once done, you'll see prompts that guide deletion versus just removing from home screen. Once you tap Remove App, the menu asks whether to delete app or remove from home screen. Pick Delete App to remove data and free storage. If you prefer keeping documents, go to Settings General iPhone Storage and choose Offload App. This clears the binary while preserving app data. Make sure screen time restrictions are off, because they can hide the delete option. After confirming, the system uninstalls the package and reclaims space automatically, which helps performance. Finish by restarting your iPhone to ensure storage reporting updates and background processes clear. This also resolves lingering icons. If you want the app back, open the App Store and reinstall. Your data may be restored from backup if available. If Delete App is grayed out, check screen time content and privacy restrictions and any device management profiles that block removals. As a quick fix, disable the restriction or remove the profile. Then try deleting again. That usually resolves permission issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.